Model, 2017 Citroen Dispatch BlueHDi 115 SS 6PD MAN XS 1000 Enterprise starts drives great coolant is pressuring needs head gasket. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 191963. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FCUA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.